In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to translate text efficiently and accurately. Whether you're working on a personal project or a professional document, these steps will help you make the most of this powerful tool. First, you'll need to access the ChatGPT platform. Start by going to chat.openai.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to begin organizing your translations. Next, it's a good idea to start a new chat. You can do this by clicking on New Chat. Doing so not only keeps your translations neatly organized, but also ensures that each translation task starts with a clean slate, minimizing any potential confusion. Now, it's time to paste the text that you want to translate. For instance, suppose you have a sentence in French. Bonjour, je m'appelle Sophie et j'adore voyager. This is where the real magic happens. Once your text is pasted, it's crucial to provide clear translation instructions to ChatGPT. For example, you could say, "Translate this French text into English, keeping the tone friendly." This instruction tells ChatGPT exactly what you need and helps to maintain the intent and nuances of the original text as much as possible. Furthermore, ask for accuracy and context. You might say, "Make sure the translation fits a casual conversation between friends." This ensures ChatGPT translates the text with the appropriate tone and setting in mind, especially when subtle emotional or cultural nuances are involved. If you find yourself needing more options or checking the robustness of a translation, you can ask ChatGPT for alternative translations. Simply request, "Give me 2 alternative ways to phrase this in English." This additional step can sometimes offer a different perspective and give you choices that better match your intended use. Considering cultural nuances is another point you might want to take into account. For expressions or idioms that are difficult to translate literally, it might be beneficial to ask ChatGPT, "Explain if there are any idioms or expressions that might not translate literally." This will help you understand the cultural context or find a suitable equivalent expression in the target language. Once you're satisfied with the translation, the final step is to copy or save it. Paste the translated text into your document, email, or messaging app to seamlessly move forward with your project. By following these steps, you'll be able to channel the capabilities of ChatGPT effectively for translation tasks, ensuring accuracy and preserving the original meaning and tone. With practice, it will become a straightforward and intuitive process. I hope these tips help you enhance your translation experience with ChatGPT, and that you find this tool as beneficial as many others around the world do.